Learning slang alternatives in Spanish for words you already know is a really powerful shortcut to just quickly sounding way more native. Molar is gustar mucho, which is to like something a lot. For example, oye, me mola tu camiseta, or el concierto me ha molado mucho. Currar is trabajar, which of course is to work. No puedo ir, tengo que currar mañana. Next one, sobar. This means to sleep, or even just to snooze, like fall asleep for like a short period of time, like when you have a nap or just doze off. Esta tarde me he sobado. Qué sueño, me voy a sobar. Pirarse means irse, which is to leave, but you say it more in the sense of I'm bouncing or I'm gonna bail. Chicos, me piro, nos vemos. Jorge se va a pirar. So yeah, try using some of these. If you can incorporate slang like this into your daily vocabulary, you'll immediately get a little boost in your perceived Spanish level.